mornings can feel like the hardest part of the day. For many of us, waking up early feels like a battle against ourselves. The alarm rings, we snooze it. It rings again, we snooze it again. By the time we actually roll out of bed, we're already tired, frustrated, and behind schedule. But here's the truth: waking up early doesn't have to feel like torture. It doesn't have to feel like dragging yourself out of the grave every single morning. In fact, with the right habits, waking up early can become the most energizing, productive, and peaceful part of your day. In this video, I'm going to share with you a complete guide, not just quick hacks, but a full system that will help you wake up early without feeling like death. By the end, you'll know exactly how to train your body and mind to make mornings feel natural, exciting, and even enjoyable. So, grab a notebook or just listen carefully, because this might be the game changer you've been waiting for. Why waking up early matters. Let's start with a simple question: why even bother waking up early? It's not just about copying billionaires who brag about their 4 a.m. routines. It's about owning your day before the world interrupts you. Think about it: most people wake up late, check their phone, and immediately drown in notifications, emails, and distractions. From the very first moment, their day is controlled by other people's demands. But when you wake up early, you create a buffer. A few quiet hours where the world is silent, and it's just you and your goals. This is where deep focus, clarity, and productivity come alive. It's not about waking up at 5 a.m. or joining some trend, it's about designing your mornings in a way that gives you peace and power. The real enemy of early mornings. Now let's address the biggest problem. Most people think they're just not a morning person. But the truth is, you're probably just a bad night person. If you stay up scrolling on your phone until 2 a.m., of course waking up early feels like torture. If you eat heavy food at midnight, of course your sleep feels heavy. The real enemy isn't the morning, it's your late night habits. So before you can fix your mornings, you need to fix your nights. Step 1. Master your nights. Think of your evening as the foundation of your next morning. Here's how you set yourself up for success. Set a cutoff time for screens. 1 hour before bed, put your phone away. Blue light from screens tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime, which makes it harder to sleep deeply. Dim your lights. Light tells your body whether it's time to be awake or sleep. Low lights mean time to rest. Do a wind down activity. Read, journal, stretch, or meditate. Something calm. No drama, no stress. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep. This is non-negotiable. Without proper rest, no early morning hack will work. Remember, your morning success starts the night before. The motivation you need. Let me ask you this: how many mornings have you lost by sleeping in? How many times have you said, "I'll wake up early tomorrow," only to waste precious hours? Every morning you waste is an opportunity gone. Time you could have used to learn, to grow, to work on your dreams. Think about it: while others are sleeping, you could be moving ahead. While others are stuck in bed, you could be building your future. Waking up early isn't just about productivity, it's about self-respect. It's about proving to yourself that you can control your habits, instead of letting them control you. Putting it all together. So, let's recap. If you want to wake up early without feeling like death, master your nights, prepare the evening before. Use light, wake up with the sun. Move before you think, action first, thoughts later. Kill the snooze button, no more false starts. Create a ritual you enjoy, make mornings something to look forward to. Stay consistent, train your internal clock. This is not about waking up at 4 a.m. This is about creating mornings that give you energy instead of stealing it. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more practical life tips, and let me know in the comments what's the one habit you're going to change tonight to make your mornings better tomorrow.